girl.
Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Allie and I am documenting the process of building a homestead from scratch here in Georgia. I am in my finished kitchen. So we moved into this house probably 2 months ago and we've just been slowly working at doing a slight remodel of the kitchen and it's finally finished. My husband installed our new backsplash and put some lights up under the cabinets and it looks so good. Okay, so you want me to plant succession sow lettuce. Succession sow. Succession sow.
Right off us into the grass.
Avoids the grass.
She kind of stopped, but so sad. Lord Lava.
Ah, the beautiful, peaceful sounds of the country. We had an exciting week here in terms of wood chips. There were multiple deliveries made.
I'll just pull up and I'll open the door and let me know.
Awesome, thank you. I think as far back as you can kind of get it would be great.
Good deal.
And I'll take all of it, so.
Would you want more than one load?
Yeah, I mean, bring as many as you can. Like,
I'll probably have another one.
that'd be awesome.
Good deal.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Of course.
Yeah.
The other one you just kind of wanted in front of it?
Yeah, that'd be great.
I got you.
Yeah. I'm starting a YouTube channel about building like this homestead from scratch, and we need a lot of wood chips. So.
Oh, yeah? What are you building?
It's like a homestead, like a farm. So
Okay,
we're gonna grow all of our own vegetables. We have our chickens going. And
Absolutely.
do you like eggs? Like,
Yeah.
I can get you some eggs. You
For
can
real?
Yeah, I'll go grab you
Absolutely.
some.
Thank you.
And I'll see you next time. Please bring all the wood chips you can.
Absolutely. Thank
Enjoy
you.
your eggs. You're welcome. Have a great one. We've got little baby snow peas coming up and little baby asparagus sprigs. Look at those big old radishes. A row of turnips. I don't know, should I? Yeah.
Oh my gosh! You see him?
Look! Right here! Look! Asparagus! Oh my god. Oh! Grass.
They gotta send their roots 16 feet down.
Dang.
So should I pinch that?
I don't know, ask Chance.
Not one, but 2 loads of mulch. Is that how long it took you to get here? An hour and a half?
It took me from our location.
Well, here's how the garden's looking. I think the center aisle with the mulch looks much better than some old planks of wood to walk down. I just planted some more radishes right here. I planted, you can kind of see these little black pockets in the grass mulch. That is more lettuce because I harvested some of that. I think it's looking pretty good. We went to our local fall festival where I got to meet my friend Emily. She's here on YouTube at Farmstead Forum. She has a podcast where she talks to homesteaders about all things homesteading, from canning and preserving to harvesting and growing a garden. Definitely check her out. She will be hosting a homesteading event here in Georgia on November 16th. And I will be there along with my family, and I definitely think you should check it out. It's going to have speakers, vendors, food trucks. It's going to be a lot of fun, and I will link her information down below. And yeah, I hope to see you there.
Huge part of war.
Of war?
Oh my god, the whole thing. Can't fight, get armor and ammunition shipped and delivered and on the battlefield.
Give you about 10 minutes to chew that one up. That was a big one.
He's okay. He's a really sweet horse.
He's 28 years old.
He's such a sweet horse.
So it takes him a while to.
Yeah. Look here. Oh, you dropped it. Oh, no.
How beautiful.
I know.
What a crazy animal.
Hi, Angel.
Hi, Grace. What is?
And I just want to thank everybody for your support on these videos. I'm having a lot of fun with these farm updates, and you all seem to be loving them. I just really appreciate it. So I will see you on the next one. Bye.